Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be making a video of how I drafted this neckline for this pencil gown, and in my subsequent video, that is the next video after this, I'll be showing you my sewing process. But for now, let's watch what's the pattern drafting process for this neckline, which is also called what? The coin hand neckline. If it is your first time of watching my video, you're welcome to my channel. Please press the subscribe button because there's a lot to learn on this channel. And if also you are watching this video, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much. Let's get right into the pattern drafting class. So the first thing I'll be doing is to roll a line here that will serve as my shoulder line. So now I'm starting this is my shoulder line. Let me put it there, SL, my shoulder line. So this is where I'll be starting my measurement from. The first measurement I'll be taking is what? My shoulder to my armhole. My armhole is 15 divided by 2, 7.5. So let's see, I've indicated it. Then my shoulder to my bust point, 9.5. You can see. My shoulder to my under bust now, which is 12. Then my shoulder, where my tape here, to my half length or my waist measurements, anything you call it. So this is it. You can see I've indicated it. So I'll indicate it on this side also. Then rule a straight line to join them together. So you can see my line, I've ruled them. So this is my armhole, my bust point, my under bust, and my half length. So now I'll be taking my nipple to nipple measurement, which is what, 3.5 on my bust point, and I also take it. So my nipple to nipple measurement is actually 7 divided by 2, which gives us what, 3.5. So I also place that 3.5 here. And you see that here. So I'll connect and rule a straight line. So I'll be taking my darts on both sides because it's a bustier outfit. I'll be taking 1 inch on both sides. On my waist, 1 inch. And also on my under bust. So I'll connect. So now I'm connecting to this place, but I'll come down here by what, 0.5 inch. And I'll connect from here to here. So now I'm putting what, my waist measurement on this line. And remember, I have taken what, 2 inches here, so I'll add it back to my waist measurement. So my waist measurement divided by 4 plus 2 inches, and my waist now is 26 divided by 4, that's 6.5, plus 2 inches, that's 8.5. So this is my waist measurement. So by the time I take in this dart and cut out this bustier, so we're back to my normal waist. You can also verify by what, measuring from here to here. From here to here, I have 2.5. So from this 2.5, I'll start my measurement from here, 2.5, to this place. So you can see I have what, 6.5 back. So on my armhole line, I'll be placing my bust measurement divided by 4. So by the time I connect it, remember this place is 8, this is 8.5. It will come like this. That's my shape. Don't vex. So when I take my dart, it will get the curve back. So that's how I'll be leaving it. So I don't know, I was busty. It might be bigger than that, and I have this slant shape, but I'm not. So now that's that for a bustier area. So now let's work out on my neckline. So the first thing I have to do what is a sweetheart neck, where my curve will come from. So I'm going up. So most times when I want to go up, I actually measure for my bust, within my bust and my under bust. What do I have there? What I have from here to here is what? 2.5. So from here to here, I'll measure from this upper part now. I'll measure 2.5 also. This is 2.5. This is where it is here. But in case I don't want it this way, I can just go high a bit. So I'll go high by 1 inch from my armhole line. So this is it. So let me do my armhole line first. So for my armhole line, I'll be placing my shoulder line here divided by 2. So shoulder 13 divided by 2, which is 6.5. 6.5. I'll also place the 6.5 on this line here. Then I'll connect to have a straight line. So on this line, I'll go up by 3 inches like this, 3 inches. Then I'll come in by 0.5. Please just note what I did here. So for my shoulder now, I want to do my slant. So I'll come down here by 1 inch. So I measure 3 inches now for my normal neck width. So I'll connect to this line here. So this is my shoulder slope. Now I want to draw my armhole. So remember I took this place in by 0.5, so I'll be connecting first. Connecting from here to here. So this is my armhole. Now I want to do my neckline. So this is my neck depth. So now for this place, this line is not needed, you see when I'm through. So now I'll be connecting here to this side. So I'll measure what I have here. Then I'll divide by 2. I have 3.5. So I'll divide 3.5 by 2. So I'll measure. You can see where I measured from this line. So now I'll connect from here to this place. So now this line is no more needed. So the next thing I want to do now is I want to tighten this upper part. I want to tighten it. So I'll first connect my line to this point. So I'll connect it to my nipple to nipple measurement here. So from here to this place, I'll take 1 inch. So I'll connect from here to here. So this is it. So guys, this is it. So you can follow me through the sewing process in my next video. So thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.